How to uninstall Telegram X. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove this app. First of all, navigate to the place where the app is located. Now simply tap and hold on to it. Here on the top, you can see this eye icon. Simply tap on this eye icon. So now we in this app info. In other mobile devices, you can directly go to settings and open app info. Now here on the bottom, tap on uninstall. So before doing this, make sure you have all your ID and password saved for it, because later if you want to reinstall the app and use it, you might need it. At last, hit on OK. So now let's wait for some time. Now as you can see, the app is completely gone from my mobile device. You're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.